Yo, what is up, guys? Okay, so here's the thing I feel like I can't just gloss over. The ecosystem out there right now is, it's pretty rough to navigate, honestly. Like, whether you're punching something into Google, going down to YouTube, grinding through Reddit, hanging around any crypto forum, the sheer density of stuff that's been, very deliberately assembled to look like legitimate guidance while essentially functioning as a very patient way of separating people from their tokens is just, genuinely alarming when you actually sit and measure it. So just please move through all of it carefully. Okay, so anyway, I've been sitting on one cloud mining app for a couple months now, then putting it through some real testing, and today I'm just gonna open it up right here on screen and walk you through everything. What cloud mining is, how the whole process actually looks from the inside, just, unscripted and straight through.
All right, so let's just run this from the very beginning. So first thing off the bat, I'm pressing start mining now right here. Okay, so now it's giving me the coin picker, going with TRON coin for this one. And just so you're aware, this platform is actually carrying pretty much the entire major lineup. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, all the names that actually move markets. Okay, so pressing continue here. Nice. So now I need to add my wallet address. So let me just bounce over to Trust Wallet real quick. Okay, copying that and jumping back over here, slotting it right into this field. Perfect. Okay, next we've got these two parameters sitting here, hashrate power and mining speed mode. One determines how much raw processing capacity gets dedicated to your run, the other sets the pace at which the whole operation churns through everything. And the natural trade-off being push them up and yeah, your output accelerates, but the fee structure moves in the same direction. So just, find the configuration that actually fits what you're going for here. Okay, now I'm entering my mining target right over here. So this basically just hands you your, complete picture. The crypto amount you're targeting, what that's currently worth, and a projected time frame for landing there. Okay, everything's reading correctly. Tapping start mining, and nice. Okay, we're rolling. All the live stats are flowing through right here on the dashboard. So let's just, hang back for a few minutes and watch it go. And there we go. I've successfully mined my tokens. Now I can withdraw it. But important detail here, the platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawal. Everything's broken down here, so factor that in, complete transparency. And cool thing here is I'm not forced to pay in any specific coin. I can use whatever I'm got. So I'm gonna pick this one. Good, then clicking I've sent and just waiting for verification. Good, tokens sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my wallet. Okay, so all right, while this is running, I want to give you my actual unvarnished take on solidhash because look, I think context matters here. I came into testing this thing with, a pretty thick layer of default skepticism built up from experience. Like I have been on the wrong end of some genuinely painful situations in this space. Lost real funds to platforms that looked credible, had the right language, said all the right things, and then just, evaporated. And what that does to you over time is it basically recalibrates your entire threshold for what it takes to earn trust. So when I tell you something has held up, that comes from somewhere real. And I think it's genuinely the most useful thing I can say. All of that is my experience, my crypto, my withdrawals, my questions. And at the end of the day, the only experience that's ever gonna actually matter to you is the one you go out and collect yourself. I mean that sincerely. Don't just take my word for it. Don't take anyone's word for it. Get in there with something small. Run your own withdrawal. Ask support something specific. See what comes back. Because that first-hand experience is the only real data point, Everything else, including everything I just said, is just context.
Your own test is the thing that counts.
So, whenever you're ready to go run that test, link is sitting in the description and pinned right at the top of the comments. And honestly, however it goes, smashing success, mixed feelings, something unexpected, just, come back and drop it in the comments. I actually make time to read through everything and engage properly. Smash the like if this was useful, subscribe if you're new around here, and keep it real out there. Peace out.